Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message to a new chat on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update that makes messaging easier than ever. Whether you want to connect with friends, family, or new contacts, this quick guide will have you chatting in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options there, but the one you want to click on is Messenger. This is Instagram's messaging hub on PC, where all your conversations live. After clicking Messenger, you'll notice a new message icon, usually represented by a pencil or a plus sign, at the top or near the chat list. Click on this icon to start a new conversation. Now, a search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the username of the person you want to message. As you type, Instagram will suggest accounts matching your input. Simply select the right account from the list. Once you've chosen the account, click on the chat button to open the new conversation window. This is where you can start typing your message. Whether it's a quick hello, a question, or something more detailed, just type it out in the message box. When your message is ready, click send. Your message will be delivered instantly, and you'll see it appear in the chat thread. From here, you can continue the conversation, send photos, or even use emojis to make your messages more expressive. And that's it. Sending a message to a new chat on Instagram from your PC is straightforward with this new update. Just remember these simple steps. Open Instagram in your browser, click Messenger, hit the new message icon, choose the account, click Chat, write your message, and send. Now you're all set to stay connected with anyone on Instagram right from your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.